Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect Gumroad to PayPal. First, log into your Gumroad account. Once you are logged in, go to Settings. From the top menu, select Payments. If your account is not verified yet, a pop-up may appear asking you to provide your country and ID documents. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete verification. After that, scroll down in the Payments section. At the very bottom, you will see an option to connect PayPal. Before you click it, make sure you meet the following requirements. Your Gumroad account must be marked as compliant. You must have earned at least $100. You must have received at least one successful payout from Gumroad. If you meet these requirements, click the Connect PayPal button. Follow the on-screen steps. You may be asked to log into your PayPal account. Use the account you want your Gumroad payments to go into. Read the instructions carefully and allow permissions when requested. Once the process is complete, your PayPal account will be connected to Gumroad. You can now receive payments through PayPal whenever a customer purchases your products. Thanks for watching.